The last one, let's get it. Neptune is the most distant planet with whopping 4.3 billion kilometers from our sun. Voyager 2 is the only spacecraft to have ever visited this planet. Neptune is an ice giant with atmosphere made up of water, methane and ammonia. At wind speed of 2000 km per hour, it is also known as most windiest planet in our solar system. Neptune has 14 known moons named after Greek gods and 5 rings that are very faint to see. Like if you liked it and share if it feels like. 4 fun facts about Uranus. No pun intended. This huge planet is 7th from our sun and first one to be discovered by a telescope. Uranus has tilt of 98 degrees, so its rotation of axis and the rotation around the sun are in the same direction. It does have day or nights, but each lasts for 21 years. 1 Uranus year is equal to 84 Earth years. By the way, sub to the channel would be appreciable. Moving on. Like Jupiter and Saturn, Uranus also does have rings around it. It has 13 known rings. Beautiful, isn't it? Uranus has 27 known moons, most of which are named after literary characters written by William Shakespeare and Alexander Poe. Right, so we are at the end of the series and I want you to rate it down in the comment section. I have something special in the next video, so keep learning. After Mercury, Venus, Mars and Jupiter, we have reached Saturn. So without a further delay, let's jump into the video. 6th in the list and second biggest planet in our solar system. This is Saturn for you, a planet with a spectacular ring structure. Saturn has 53 moons and an additional of 29 moons awaiting confirmation of their discovery. That is total of 82 moons and some of them might support life as well. Since it is a gas giant, Saturn is less dense than water, so it would actually float on water if you could find a pool large enough. Saturn is last in the list of 5 planets, appears clearly with the naked eye in the night sky. To see the rings and the moons, you'll need a telescope. Okay, so how was it? Let me know in the comment section and we'll be here again tomorrow. 4 fun facts about Jupiter. Here we go. 5th planet from our sun and so massive that more than 1300 Earths would fit inside it. Jupiter is biggest planet in our solar system and it is similar to a star, but it never got massive enough to start burning, so it is also known as failed star. Jupiter is covered in swirling clouds of hydrogen and helium, and it has big storms like Great Red Spot, which has been going for hundreds of years. It is wide enough to engulf 3 entire Earth-sized planets. Jupiter has more than 75 moons, and moons like Io and Europa have oceans beneath their crust, which might support alien life. If you like what you see, consider subscribing to this channel. I'll be posting space and physics related videos. Hope you see us soon. 4 fun facts about Mars. Let's get started. Mars is 4th planet from our sun and it's roughly equal to half the size of Earth. Due to its red appearance, it's also known as red planet. The red color comes from the iron minerals present in the Martian soil and it has very thin atmosphere made of carbon dioxide, nitrogen and argon. Mars has 2 moons named Phobos and Deimos and the sunrise and the sunset on Mars appears blue. Several missions from NASA, ISRO, etc. have visited this planet. The goal of SpaceX is to colonize Mars and NASA already stated that it aims to put person on Mars by 2037. To know more space facts and their explanations, subscribe to channel Tranquil Mortal and I'll see you around. Here are 4 unique facts about Earth. 3rd planet from our sun with the distance of 150 million kilometers. This is our home planet and still we don't know who named it. We have traveled most of the land, sent hundreds of spacecrafts far in the space, but when it comes to sea, more than 80% remains unexplored. Moreover, the world's largest chain of mountains isn't on land, it's underwater, known as mid-ocean ridge. There are more trees on Earth than stars in our entire galaxy and more individual life than all the stars combined in our entire universe. Earth isn't flat. To know more in depth, click the I button and check the words of famous scientist Carl Sagan and feel it yourself. I'll see you in the next video. 4 fun facts about Venus. Let's go! Venus is second to Sun and hottest planet in our solar system. Venus rotates backwards on its axis compared to most of the planets. This means Sun rises in the west and sets in the east. तो यहाँ सूरज एक्चुअल में पश्चिम से निकलता है. Venus is permanently shrouded in thick, toxic clouds of sulfuric acid and the clouds smell like sada hua anda, literally, so don't forget to wear your mask. Venus is an unlikely place for life as we know it, but in October 2020, some scientists theorized microbes might exist high in the clouds where it's cooler and the pressure is similar to Earth's surface. तो क्या पता कल को हम वीनस के बादलों पे आराम करते हुए देख रहे हों. For fun facts about Mercury, ये सूर्यमंडल का सबसे पहला और सबसे छोटा ग्रह है. सूर्य के सबसे करीब होने के बावजूद इस ग्रह की एक साइड का टेम्परेचर बहुत कम रहता है और इस पे आइस होने के सबूत भी मिले हैं. मरकरी का ऑर्बिट न्यूटन के लॉज के साथ डिफाइन नहीं किया जा सकता. इसको डिफाइन करने के लिए आइंस्टाइन की जनरल रिलेटिविटी का उपयोग किया जाता है. मरकरी 3000 किलोमीटर पर सेकंड की रफ्तार पर सन के अराउंड घूमता है और मरकरी का एक साल अर्थ के 81 डेज में कंप्लीट हो जाता है. स्पेस फैक्ट्स और उनकी डिटेल एक्सप्लेनेशन जानने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें चैनल ट्रैंक्विल मॉर्टल. थैंक यू.